Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. Whether you've got $100 or just $10, you can begin building your financial future today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing with little money, step by step, beginner-friendly, and without all the confusing bits. Let's get into it. Before we dive into how to invest, let's talk about why you should. Inflation slowly eats away at your savings, meaning that money sitting in your bank account is actually losing value over time. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. And thanks to compound interest, the earlier you start, the more your money works for you, even if you start. Let's bust some common myths. Myth number 1. You need thousands to begin investing. Nope. Many platforms let you start with $5 or less. Myth number 2. You need to be an expert. Not true. There are beginner-friendly tools that automate the hard stuff. Myth number 3. Investing is risky. Sure, but not investing is risky too. With a smart approach, you can manage risk easily. Here's how to get started with little money in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Set your goal. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Retirement? A home? Extra income? Your goal helps you pick the right type of investments. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Use beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood or eToro for stocks and ETFs. Acorns for automatic micro-investing. Raise or Spaceship if you're in Australia. Public or SoFi for easy portfolio tracking and low fees. Many have no minimum deposit. Step 3. Pick your investment type. Here are 3 solid options for beginners. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like baskets of stocks, lower risk, great for starters. Fractional shares. Buy a piece of a big stock like Apple or Tesla for just a few bucks. Robo-advisors. These platforms pick and manage your investments for you based on your goals and risk level. Step 4. Automate it. Set up automatic deposits. Even $10 a week adds up. Consistency beats timing the market every time. Step 5. Keep learning. Follow creators who simplify finance, read books like The Simple Path to Wealth, and remember, investing is a long-term game. Here are 3 power tips to stay on track. Start small, but start now. Even $5 invested is better than 0. Ignore the noise. Markets go up and down. Don't panic sell. Be consistent. Investing regularly beats trying to time the market. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need a plan, the right tools, and a little patience. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly money tips. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below. I reply to everyone.